Okay, we are now home and it's almost 3 o'clock. I am now hungry, and what we are going to eat today is the leftover from yesterday. Look at that. The rice with the siomai, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. We're just going to reheat that, and I don't know. And I will be waiting for the call of Mr. Chris. It is now 3:15. The rice is now hot, but I also want some egg. Also, I have this potato and leek, and it's going to be a soup. Yeah, very strong wind. I mean, also very strong rain. How I am going to meet the Mr. Chris? How will I go to Mr. Chris? Should I cancel and go tomorrow instead? Yeah, look at that. Outside is very strong wind. Also, my bike is now wet. Okay, Mr. Chris is coming in. Yeah, he said he's coming. He's going to pick me up. The rain has stopped. Actually, there was a sun a while ago while raining. First, there was a very heavy rain and very windy. And then it stopped a little bit, and then the sun comes. And now it's like this. Going on a bike is not a good idea. So that's why Mr. Chris is going to pick me up. Yo, we are here with Mr. Chris and the guys.
Si Ross, si Chris.
Mr. Ross and Mr. Chris also.
Chris Late, Chris Laki.
Ayan, nangangamoy kanin na oh.
Ano mga tita? Hindi, namasyal muna kami.
Good afternoon po.
Ito my wife, si Malu.
Hello.
Wife ni Ross, si Julie, yung naka dark blue.
Magandang hapon.
Wife ni Chris, si Vilma. Si Robby.
In person na abrodero.
Baka ko para kuha na tayo.
Pakita ko kayo?
Baka mamaya. Ano kung nakaupulan tayo.
Husband and wife.
Para naman tayong picture.
Hindi ko
Mag-vlog si Robby.
hindi ko po alam sasabihin.
Anong session? Hello.
Hello, Robby. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Finally.
Hello, Robby. Ito mo ating Pilipino.
Meron kaming tangkip, pusit.
Ito mo pa. Adobo, at saka talong.
Ayan, tapos sausawan.
Sawa tayo sa dagat. Pinakubak.
Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, today is a very windy, sunny, cold days. Yeah, it is. The wind is cold. And like as usual, today I start at 2. No, 6. I start at 6. I'm confusing myself. Yeah, I start at 6 and finish at 2. Actually 2:30 when I sign out. Okay, we are actually going to do some pull-ups in here. You know, I was not at ease when I come to work this morning. Yeah, because we don't have egg. We have maybe like 6 6 trays of egg, but that is not enough. Yeah, so I was worried. So Chef Matt decided to ask Adam to go to Walmart to buy eggs, and Adam bought 15 dozen of egg, and yeah, we survived with that egg. Yeah, because yesterday I forgot to tell, no, not yesterday, but the day before, I forgot to tell to Chef to order, and that's why we ran out. Afternoon. Oh, it looks so different today. There's no people in here at the moment. Kind of weird. I believe that is because of the cold winds. There are many people in the pub. They are drinking in the club. Oh, building a little bit of traffic in here. Very unusual. Not too bad. It is kind of busy here today. Yeah, there's a little bit of traffic, and we are home. Yeah, the time now is 3:15. Yo, it is now 4:20, and I'm actually doing my laundry. You can hear the sound, and I'm going to prepare my meal. Oh, this is the thing that Mr. Chris gave me yesterday. Yeah, this one. Yeah, nice. It's actually dried fish, and it's very crispy. Really good. This one is it doesn't smells good, so you know it's not good to cook in here. Yeah, the neighbor may complain. And also they gave me this I don't know, this white coffee. Also this greatest white coffee. Also this, they gave me these peanuts, and there are some more here. Yeah, they gave me this. This is empanada and siopaw. You eat this first. There is instruction inside. I thought there is instruction. This is just bond paper. 1 minute. We try 1 minute. And today is a good day for them because nice weather today. They can play golf nicely. And they said that yesterday they are playing golf even under the rain. It's good. Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, it is now almost 7 o'clock. Oh, I put it there because when I pick it yesterday afternoon, it was a little damp, so I put it there. So it's going to be dry. I am sure it's dry already. Now I'm going to eat. I cooked this yesterday because I am planning to eat, but didn't able to eat. Oh, sorry. Instead I eat the siopaw. is what we are going to eat today.